Hey, hello there. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Just trying to get a good light on this kind of dreary but not bad day here in the west coast of British Columbia, Canada. As you can see, I am from the west coast of British Columbia, Canada, and welcome to my channel. This is tips and strategies of online marketing and more. And I thought I'd give you a little skinny about myself as I continue on my topic of today. I am, of course, Canadian. I am 60 years old from the west coast of Canada. And I've been doing online marketing for the past 2 years and amassed a lot of tips and strategies along the way and some more interesting things as well. As I'm trying to get myself, that's better. Just trying to make sure you don't see me in the dark too much, eh? As you can see, I do have these glasses, but that's because I can't see otherwise because they're prescribed. And I need to shade them in the sun. Now, while as I continue on, I want to share one thing. I amassed a lot of jobs in my lifetime. Maybe about past 35 years, I had a variety of jobs as I worked at Orange Julius, I worked at McDonald's, I worked in a department store, Army Navy department store, I worked in a gift shop, I worked in a Jewish store, which is kind of nice when you think about it. I also did daycare for 3 years. I looked after 6 kids. I also did the phone services, but the most craziest job I had, I worked at a sheet metal shop for 8 years, and that was kind of interesting until the most recent job I had a little over a while ago when I worked in a direct marketing office with my sister Vicky, and that got me the taste of direct marketing. That's what I really like to do. And I was thinking about working online even then. That was about 14 years ago. Now, fast forward to a little while ago, a couple of years ago, I was struggling to find some work. And then I decided, let's work online because I want to have like the laptop lifestyle. I want to work at home and a home-based business. I wanted to work online because I knew for a fact that as I was getting older, going into my 60s soon, and I am 60 now, I wanted to make sure that I could still work into my retirement years and have a decent income for my husband and I. So I am still doing it. Through the past 2 years, I've been working online, doing a variety of different kind of programs, lost some money, gained some money, until about 3.5 months ago, I almost gave up, but then I found a beautiful program called Successful Solution Method, which is the topic for me today. And with this beautiful program and the wonderful leadership of Amanda Rye and this beautiful program, she created this task-based program, this task-based educational program. I am starting to learn and earn. And this is the topic for today. I'm going to go in depth further about how we earn a Successful Solution Method, the commission system, and how we are getting nice, good, consistent payouts on a weekly basis. So let's carry on to the next segment because I really want to share that with you today. Shall we? Oh, by the way, stay to the end because there's a lot of good information and tidbits and some interesting proof as well. Stay to the end because you're really going to enjoy this one. Hello, it's Christine Trainer. I'm back. Okie dokie. As I continue on my tips and strategies online marketing, of course, I'm going to talk about Successful Solution Method, how we get paid, and the commissions we get paid, and how it works. But I want to talk about one thing, actually 3 things, 3 ways we kind of get paid. The first way we get paid, we go through residual income. Okie dokie. I want to share about residual income. So let me I want to go through a tiny little presentation. I want to share something right now before I get started. Success occurs when opportunity meets preparation. Successful Solution Method is a program that gives back, pumping payouts back to our members that are consistently completing tasks. That's the first thing I want to share because that's the first way we get paid. When we become a member of Successful Solution Method, whichever package we come in, which 5 packages because they are, we all start in the beginning. We start from square one, we start with training, and through these trainings, we do tasks on a daily basis, income-producing activities, okay? And through these income-producing activities, as we are learning, we get paid residual income. That is exactly right. Let me share with you the tasks. These are the tasks we do when we earn our income, our residual income, shall we say. We post banners during the week using a storyline at Facebook group, and that is the banners we receive when we get paid through our creator, Amanda Rye, who created this program. Next, we motivate and inspire others through messages and quotes. That's another task we do. We have ongoing trainings, which we have on a weekly basis, which we must attend in order to get paid as well. Those are one of our tasks. We have weekly webinars on a weekly basis, and that's what we do. That's how we get paid as well. And we work on our account 2 hours a day. We work on our Facebook page in order to get paid. Sorry about that, guys. It seems to be in the way here. I hope you didn't see that. I get a lot of stuff on there. And we post our results on a daily basis, okay? And we engage within our Facebook group and our chat room, which is a Telegram chat room. And these are the tasks that we do every single day consistently in order to build our business online through Facebook. And that is our residual income. That's the first way we get paid as well. And that's the beauty about Successful Solution Method. Everybody that does their task on a daily basis, we get paid a residual income because we're learning as we're earning. Or we're earning as we're learning. Okay, the next one we do, let me go get off here. It happens sometimes. Okay, so this is Successful Solution Office, as back office as well. You see I have it on my cell phone because you can work on your cell phone. Amazing, right? I can get it bigger and smaller so you can see, but that is basically what it is. Now I'm going to show you basically the 5 packages, what we sign into. And these packages, there's 5 packages, and it also caters or created for those of you, either a newbie or a seasoned marketer, what your needs are, where you are in the marketing world. Okay, that's what you sign up for. You don't sign up for it to earn. You sign up to learn and grow with trainings through these each packages. Okay, now the first package is for newbies. It's $100 plus $25 admin. Silver is $325 and $25 with admin. And gold is $500, and platinum is $1,000, and diamond is $2,000. Okay, it's all a one-time payment fee. That's it. And these packages are catered to those of you who are marketers or newbies and where you are at. Like, this is very entailed, whichever training you want, because you're signing up for a training to learn and grow and understand. Okay, you want to learn, earn as you grow, right? Now, for example, you also have one advantage. You become an opportunity here. You become a affiliate, which means you share our link. Now, here's the beauty of Successful Solution Method that's comes in the commissions, okay? And the beauty of these commissions, like no other company, okay? Say, for example, you are a bronze, okay? And you share a link to somebody and they decide to be diamond. And of course, you know the diamond package is $2,000. Now, on a regular company, what would happen? I'll tell you what. Give me a bit of tea here. You are probably $1,000. You may only get a certain percentage because you're on a lower package. Okay, and most of it goes into the company. Okay, it goes to the owners. That's not what happens in Successful Solution Method. No way. Even if you're a bronze or a silver or a gold or a platinum member, it doesn't matter which package you come in. If somebody buys in a diamond package and you do the daily tasks, you get $1,000, 50% of the commission, and $1,000. Where does that other $1,000 go? It goes back into the community. For those who are doing your daily tasks, you get paid. That is your residual income. It goes into the community. Excellent, right? That's the beauty of Successful Solution Method. That's what I love about it, guys. Yes, because you know why that's beautiful? Because you are earning and you're learning, and you're learning from each package, trainings from each package. And you know what's beautiful about that? You're getting a commission payment anytime somebody signs up to one of these packages through your link. And you know what's even more beautiful? When you keep doing well, within a month, you can sign up to the next. You can upgrade. Say you're on bronze, you want to go up to silver. Wow. And silver is like $325, right? So you don't have to pay the full amount. You pay the difference. You only pay $150. Excellent, right? You pay $150. Or say you're in silver and you want to go to gold. Okay, you only pay $250. You don't have to pay the full amount within a month. So that's the beautiful Successful Solution Method. First of all, you get paid a 50% commission when somebody signs up with you. Okay, and then the rest goes back into the community for residual income for the other community members. Excellent. Amanda Wright, who created this program, doesn't pocket it. She gives it back to the community at Successful Solution Method. Beautiful, right? That's the second way you can earn. Okay, now I'm going to go the third way. Okay, it's also commission, but it's another way. Let me go to this to start here. So when you start, Successful Solution Method, you start step by step. And I want to go to traffic packages. You have the opportunity to buy traffic packages, pre-qualified warm leads, excellent traffic packages. Why? Because these are warm leads. They are people who are looking to go right, sign up right away. They're itching to sign up. That's what these pre-qualified leads are. And you have a choice between 3 packages. Okay? And that's the beautiful about this. Because through these leads, your link is sent out. Okay? And whoever signs up through these leads, you again get the 50% commission, whichever package they come in. And then the rest goes into the community. Excellent. It's the third way you can earn in Successful Solution Method. Now let's do all 3. Okay? Say, for example, you decide you just want to get the leads. I would do the whole thing. I would do the tasks, and you earn a residual income every week. And the beauty about it is we get paid every Friday. So whatever commission you earn in Successful Solution Method during the week, you get paid on Friday. So you get paid weekly, the residual income and the commissions on a weekly basis. Excellent. That's why I call consistent payouts. Excellent, right? That's the beautiful part of Successful Solution Method. I want to share that with you today, my lovely friends. I want to share that with you today. Because the beautiful part is, as soon as you get a commission, my lovely friends, what happens? You get a banner. A banner from Amanda. Sharing what? That you've just earned some income. Yes, you've earned an income, what you're doing. Either you're earning an income through, shall we say, $50. Somebody just bought probably a bronze package and this person earned $50. Excellent, right? Or maybe the person earned a residual income from maybe the 50% going back into the community. This is what happens. These are the banners that we receive. This beautiful lady, Tricia Smith, she did the beauty of the trainings, and she kept it up through the task, income producing activities, and through all the other commissions. And so far in 9 weeks, she's earned $22,000. It works. The system, it works. Okay. Another person earned 50. Another person earned 50. And we're gonna go down a little bit. These people there, 200. Let me see if I can. 200, 100, 50, and 250. They all earned. This is the income you make when you work a Successful Solution Method. Excellent, right? Now I'm going to share with you my PayPal, what I earn. Alrighty, my friends, this is my PayPal account. I want to show you the income that I've earned so far this past. Okay, I'm going to start over here. I'm going to start at the very beginning where I got paid June 27th. You'll see $350. July 3rd, $250. July 17th, $450. July 24th, $200. August 1st, $500. And keep going over here. August 14th, $550. August 22nd, $200. August 29th, $450. September the 11th, $315, and of course just yesterday, September 19th, of $600. Well, Friday. So that adds up to $3,865.56. That is my all total so far in this past 3.5 months. Okay, that's about 12 payments in total. So this is how much I've earned, because this is my PayPal account, because Amanda Roy pays me, and this is what she pays me through PayPal. Now the reason why I get paid through PayPal is because I'm Canadian, and that's how they do it. Now the Americans, they go through Stripe, and they get paid through Stripe. Okay, and that's how we do it. But that's excellent, right? All these beautiful payments. Okay, all I've received $3,865.56. Okay, I wanted to share that with you. These are my payments right here. Excellent, right? Now let's go back over here. I'm going to go back to my Facebook page. I'm going back to Successful Solution Method because I love Successful Solution Method and the beautiful part of Successful Solution Method, okay? Because 5.8 thousand members in this group. And in 3.5 months, we have 1,100 members already so far in Successful Solution Method. Excellent. So you see, that is how we get paid through Successful Solution Method. Our commissions threefold, okay, as well as we get to earn as we learn the beauty of Successful Solution Method. I hope this gave you some value. So down below, I have my Successful Solution link as well as a Successful Solution link to the Facebook group. Come join the group. You will really learn and understand what Successful Solution Method is all about. Plus, I have my link to my Facebook page as well. Come visit me, say hello. Let's start a conversation. Let's be friends. Let's get to know me. And I like to get to know you as well. But that link is down below as well, as I said before. Plus, since you're new here, like and comment on my video as well as subscribe to my page. I have many more tips and strategies for online marketing waiting for you to enjoy as well. Come be a part of my channel. You'll enjoy what I have to share as well. Plus, my lovely friends, don't forget to click the link below for what? My next notification of my next video. You don't want to miss it too, eh? So, my lovely friends, I hope this really did give you some value of the beauty of Successful Solution Method created by Amanda Rai, a beautiful solution to help you become more successful, to work online through your Facebook profile and building your business the right way. Yes, as a team we all are, and how we earn the Successful Solution Method and the commissions we get paid. Excellent community, right? Always working together as a team. So my lovely friends, see you on the other side to success. Bye.